Did you know that radishes are one of the easiest and fastest growing vegetables you can grow at home? Not only do they grow rapidly, but they also come in a variety of shapes and vibrant colors. If you want to get started, the first step is to choose the right variety of radish seeds. When planting, make sure to sow the seeds directly into the soil, about half an inch deep. Radishes love well-drained soil, so make sure to amend your soil with organic matter if needed. Within a week or two, you shall start to see the radish seedling emerging from the soil. As they grow, thin out the seedlings to provide enough space for the remaining plants to develop. Radishes thrive in cooler temperatures, so try to plant them during the spring or fall seasons. When it comes to caring for your radish plants, regular watering and weeding are essential. Keep an eye out for pests like aphid and flea beetles, which are common troublemakers for radishes. As your radishes mature, you shall notice the bulbous roots starting to emerge from the soil. Harvest them when they reach the desired size, typically around 3 or 4 weeks after planting. To harvest, gently loosen the soil around the radish, then pull it out of the ground. Don't forget to remove the leaves before storing the radishes in the refrigerator. Radishes are a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed fresh in salads, pickled, or even roasted. By growing your own radishes at home, you shall have access to these delicious veggies all season long. So why not give it a try and experience the joy of harvesting your own homegrown radishes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.